Section 1. Level up your stream, why overlays matter. Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Want to take your Twitch stream from good to amazing? Overlays are key. They're like the graphics package for your channel, making it look professional and unique. Think about your favorite streams. They probably have cool animations, webcam borders, and alerts that pop. That's what grabs attention and keeps viewers engaged. A good overlay adds personality to your stream. It shows off your style and makes you stand out from the crowd. Trust me, it's worth putting in the time to get it right. Section 2. Gearing up, your animation toolkit. Before we jump into creating, let's talk tools. The right tools can make a world of difference in your animation journey. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood studio. A simple home office setup can work wonders. There's awesome and affordable software out there for every skill level. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something for you. For design, Canva is super beginner-friendly with tons of templates. It's perfect for those just starting out. If you want more control, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are industry standards. They offer powerful tools for detailed work. Now for animation. Adobe After Effects is the gold standard, but it has a learning curve. It's worth the effort for its advanced features. For something simpler, try out Motion Leap or Capwing. These tools are great for quick and easy animations. These have intuitive interfaces and pre-made effects. They make the animation process smooth and enjoyable. Don't forget about stock media. Sites like Pexels and Pixabay offer free images, videos, and even sound effects to elevate your overlays. These resources can add a professional touch to your projects. Section 3. Building your overlay, from static to stunning. Let's get hands-on. Start with a basic layout. You'll want space for your gameplay, webcam, chat, and any alerts. Keep it clean and uncluttered. Next, add your branding. This could be your logo, channel name, or social media handles. Choose a font that's easy to read and reflects your style. Now, the fun part: animation. You can add subtle movements like pulsing lights, animated transitions, or even character animations for alerts. Remember, less is more. You don't want to distract from your gameplay or, most importantly, you. Section 4. The art of eye-catching design, colors, fonts, and motion. In this section, we will explore the essential elements that make a design visually appealing and effective. From the choice of colors to the selection of fonts and the use of motion, every detail matters. Choosing the right aesthetics is crucial. The colors you select can evoke emotions and set the tone for your entire design. Stick to a consistent color palette that matches your brand. This helps in creating a cohesive look and feel across all your design elements. 2 or 3 main colors work best. This keeps your design simple and avoids overwhelming the viewer. Use contrasting colors for text and backgrounds to ensure readability. High contrast makes your text stand out and easy to read. Avoid using overly bright or neon colors that can strain viewers' eyes. These colors can be distracting and make it difficult to focus on the content. When it comes to fonts, choose 1 or 2 that are easy to read and complement your design. The right font can enhance the overall aesthetic and improve readability. Avoid using too many different fonts as it can look cluttered. A clean and simple font choice helps in maintaining a professional look. For animations, keep them smooth and subtle. Subtle animations can add a dynamic element to your design without being too distracting. Too much movement can be distracting. Overly complex animations can take away from the main message of your design. Think about using subtle transitions, fades, or pulsing effects. These can enhance the user experience by making interactions feel more natural and engaging. Section 5. Unleash your creativity, experiment, and evolve. Creating overlays is a process, and the best way to learn is by doing. Dive into the world of design with an open mind and a willingness to explore. Each click, each drag, and each adjustment brings you closer to mastering your craft. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools, styles, and animations. The digital landscape is vast, and there are countless resources at your disposal. From simple static images to complex animated sequences, the possibilities are endless. Watch other streamers with cool overlays and see what you like. Observing others can spark new ideas and inspire you to push the boundaries of your own creativity. Take notes, make sketches, and let your imagination run wild. Get inspired and try to recreate elements that you find appealing. It's not about copying, but about learning and adapting techniques to fit your unique style. Each element you incorporate adds a layer of depth to your design. Remember, your overlay is an extension of your brand and personality. It should reflect who you are and what your stream represents. Personal touches make your overlay stand out and resonate with your audience. The more you put yourself into it, the more authentic and engaging your stream will be. Authenticity is key in building a loyal and engaged community. Your viewers will appreciate the effort and creativity you put into your overlays. So, what are you waiting for? The world of streaming is at your fingertips, and the only limit is your imagination. Embrace the journey of creation and let your passion shine through. Go out there, create something awesome, and most importantly, have fun. The joy of creation is in the process, so enjoy every moment and let your creativity flow.